I also want to speak about Kotahitanga, because this is where the bigger vision for this work comes into play. So Kotahitanga, in my understanding, I came across this many years ago, and I was intrigued by the word because I was introduced to it as a word which literally means oneness, Kotahitanga, the way of one. But actually it encapsulates a lot of different things. It talks about unity, it talks about harmony, but of course it alludes to the wholeness and a way of being in the world. And it connects with the bigger vision that I have for the Wholefood Kitchen. It's connected to my origins here in Aotearoa, New Zealand. It's connection to the founding document of this, the modern form of this country, Te Tiriti. And it's really a way that I'm wanting to engage in the process of honouring Te Tiriti and realising the promise that I felt from a very young age about what the Te Tiriti represents, or could represent, in terms of a coming together of two peoples in mutual respect and an acknowledgement of the gifts that each party brings to the table, and a way of working together to realise that so that everyone benefits.